What is up, guys? Today we're gonna be opening some Pokemon card packets. Let's see these. This one is Scarlet and Violet. This one is also Scarlet and Violet. This one's Obsidian Flames, and this one's Temporal Forces. Let's see this. Actually, I want to save this one for the end. Okay, I'm gonna randomly pick a pack. Let's see what I got. Temporal Forces. Okay, let's open it. Kind of struggling. Oh god. Oh wait, I forgot I could just rip it open like that. Kind of forgot how to open this thing. I'm not looking at the camera. Let's do 4 real chances. Ooh, we have a Ribombee. I can see there's something shiny at the back. There's a trainer, hand trimmer. Ooh, I don't know if this is shiny. It's a shiny Shurmish. Nice. Shiny Roserade. I don't know if this is a hollow or shiny. Oh, this is a shiny and then this is a hollow. Nice. Hollow Relicanth. An energy. Eat the code card. Deerling. Pyrodove. Pineco. And Mawile. Not too bad. This is a good one. Let's keep those. Let's try, okay, I'm gonna do this. Okay, I was gonna save this one for the end, but fine. But I do know Obsidian Flames is kind of better than this guy, so yeah. Oh, struggling to open it. I'm good. Oh no. Wait, what? Where is the code card? Oh, great, it's a black code. Wait, it's a white in the... Oh no, white code card, which means it's gonna be bad. Okay, let's just see. Hope it's gonna be something good. We have a trainer. See something shiny in the background. I think this is gonna be a good pack. There's a trainer. Got a Medicham. Foxwell. A shiny Kokorock. A shiny Staraptor. I don't even know how to pronounce this. Tell me how to pronounce it, please. I forgot what energy this is, but an energy card. Use the code card. Apani, Smoliv, Wiglet, and Greybird. I actually have a Greybird, but I actually couldn't find it. Okay. It's a lot of cards. I think we opened up to 20 right now. Because 3 packs each has like 10 besides the code card. Final pack. Let's see if this is gonna be good or bad. Please tell me this is gonna be good. I'm struggling to open it. Ah! This is really... Ah! Finally it opened. Now looking at the camera. 1, 2, 3, 4. This guy. Jumping. I'm seeing some. Oh, how did I just whistle? I'm seeing some shiny stuff. A Paldean Cloudsour. A shiny Palfin. A Volcarona. A hollow Palfin. Did I? I actually got the same card, but in different variations. That's cool. And then another of this I forgot the name of that. Use the code card. Poniard. Lillipup. The Lillipup is not even an actual Pokemon. No, like they literally just took a picture of a virtual Pokemon. No, it's not even printed on. Like, it looks like they bought a toy of a Pokemon, put it on an actual IRL rock. It's kind of weird, but okay. I think I already showed you the Poniard, the Crop Crawler, and the Clefairy fans are going to be happy. Let's go. That was a big haul. Let's see how many cards I got, and let's see how much. Mom, how much was this thing?
I don't remember.
Okay, let's see if, I don't know if we could get our money back. Let's see how many cards we got. 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't even have time to count. Like, there's so many cards. Like, look at all of this. Look at all of this. This is a Pokemon madness. Yeah, I think they're pretty good. I got some shinies and hollows.
Okay.
Well, see you in the next upcoming Pokemon Mashup. See you.